Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the best beauty and wellness products to help you feel and look your best. Today, we're exploring something a little different but incredibly soothing: the Master Massage 70-piece Deluxe Hot Stone Massage Set. This kit is designed for full-body massages using natural black lava basalt and white marble stones, promising relaxation and therapeutic benefits through hot and cold stone therapy. So, what exactly do you get with this set? It's quite comprehensive. 70 pieces in total, including large, medium, and small black basalt stones that are hand-polished without any wax, dyes, or chemicals, so you're working with pure natural stones. Plus, it includes white marble stones specifically for cold stone therapy and chakra stones intended to enhance energetic balance during massage. Everything is neatly stored in a high-quality, eco-friendly bamboo box, which is a nice touch for keeping your collection organized and stylish. I've incorporated this stone set into my relaxation routine, trying it out on different parts of my body, from my neck and shoulders to my calves and feet. The variety in stone sizes is really helpful for targeting specific areas with precision. Using the hot stones felt deeply calming. The warmth penetrated muscle tension without feeling overly intense. The cold marble stones provided a refreshing contrast and helped reduce inflammation and puffiness, especially around the face and joints. I found the stones easy to handle and the bamboo box practical for storage, which adds to the overall user experience. Now onto the pros and cons. On the plus side, the quality of these stones is excellent, smooth, well-shaped, and natural, which makes a big difference in comfort and effectiveness during massage. The inclusion of chakra stones is a thoughtful addition for those interested in holistic wellness. The bamboo storage box is sturdy and eco-conscious, which I appreciate. On the downside, this set is quite large and might be overwhelming for someone just starting with hot stone massage. It takes some time to learn how to use each stone effectively. Also, because the stones need to be heated or cooled properly, it requires extra preparation and care compared to simpler massage tools. If we talk value, this kit leans toward the premium side due to its extensive collection and natural materials. For professionals or serious home users, it justifies the price by offering versatility and quality. However, if you're a beginner or looking for a more budget-friendly option, smaller kits with fewer stones might be more practical and less intimidating. Compared to other massage stone sets on the market, this kit stands out for its sheer variety and inclusion of both hot and cold stones, plus chakra stones, a rare find that appeals to a more holistic approach to massage therapy. Many sets offer fewer stones or only hot stones, so this is a clear advantage if you want a complete experience. Build quality is solid. These stones feel durable, and the bamboo box is thoughtfully made to last. I haven't noticed any fading or chipping, and with proper care, these should hold up well over time. Since I haven't had to interact with the brand's customer service, I can't speak directly to that, but Master Massage generally has a good reputation in the wellness community. If you're interested in alternatives, there are smaller, more affordable stone kits that focus mainly on hot stones without the added cold or chakra stones. Those can be good starter kits, but won't offer quite the same breadth of options. To wrap up, the Master Massage 70-piece Deluxe Hot Stone Massage Set is a high-quality, comprehensive collection ideal for anyone serious about massage therapy, whether professional or dedicated home users. It delivers on its promise of variety, quality, and therapeutic benefits, though beginners may want to start smaller and build up to this. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic today. You'll find the link to grab your own set in the description or comments below. And if you've already tried this massage kit, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.